guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I can never hide this box. Today, I received Confetti collection. Do you want to see what is inside this month's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received my Confetti collection, and this is a bi-monthly stationery box, and I actually really do enjoy this box. If you don't know about Confetti collection, they have their box, which is bi-monthly, so it's 6 of them per year, and I prepaid for an entire year. So this is my 3rd box, so I have 3 more to go with my year subscription. It is $19.99 per box, so every other month. And it's a $50 value, so it's basically a 60% savings. They have a shipping and handling fee, which is a flat rate of $5 per box, so basically $25 per box. And it ships every 2 months. It's happiness delivered. You can cancel at any time. You can do an upfront, like I did, of 1 year for 6 boxes for $105, and it is a one-time payment, so you can set it and forget it. Now, you can subscribe and treat yourself to an award-winning box of coordinated giftable stationery and other fun novelties each month. And they do have their sticker. They were voted and they were the winner of 2019 award winner for subscription boxes, and the category best boxes under $25 is what they won their award for. So let's go ahead and dive on in here. Let me try to put this somewhere so we can see what's inside. I never have enough room for this box. Okay. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. And everything is always tucked in this right here. And all of this wonderful goodness I keep. It's good for gift baskets, for gift wrapping things, for gift bags. I use it also for giveaways that I send to you guys. I never get rid of this stuff because there is a whole lot that they send you. So I always keep that. So I would keep it if I was you because there's so many different things that you can repurpose that with, and it's pretty. So here is this box's container or package. So let's get this opened. Okay. Surprise, plan a party. If you love Confetti collection, then we know you love a good party, but why not make planning a party just as fun as the party itself? Well, we're here to tell you that you can have it all with our Plan a Party box. So call your gal pals and let's get this party started. Post your pictures using Confetti Collection Box. Hashtag Confetti Collection Box. Thank you. So there's that. And they have it all in here. So I can get rid of the tissue paper. All right, so let's get this opened. So the first thing that I'm pulling out says Think Happy, and these are file folders, 9 count, 3 of each design. One says Think Happy Thoughts, one has just these little stripes, and one looks like it says Amazing Things Will Happen. So let's see. And I love to be organized, so ooh, and that's a metallic, like shiny right there, the gold. So I love file folders or anything to help me organize my life. So there's 3 of these, and it's all green on the inside, which is my favorite color. Then Amazing Things Will Happen. And there's 3 of those, and it says it on both sides. And then Think happy thoughts. And again, that's on both sides. And this is teal green on the inside. And this one looks like, look, they're all green on the inside. My favorite color. So that's amazing. And then it comes with these little tabs that you can write and the labels and then put them on the top right here. So you can definitely organize what you put inside these folders. So that is awesome. They think of everything. So don't get stuck. So there's that. Next thing in here is plates and matching napkins, and those are really pretty. So if you are having a party, you definitely have it covered with the matching plates and napkins. Then, let's see here. May your life be filled with one good hair day after another. What 4 tassel paper clips? That looks so cute, look. There's that. So let's get this open and see. It says message inside, wishing you the simple pleasures in life. So is this a card? What is this? I think this might be a card. Yes, so it says wishing you the simple pleasures in life on the inside. And then whoever you give it to can take these off and use these little tassel, how cute, little tassel paper clips for whatever. So here they are. So you can mark things. That is really cute. And I like how it's presented on the card. So it's like a multi-purpose. You give them a card and then they have a little gift along with it. And it's really cute. May your life be filled with one good hair day after another. And it's supposed to be their hair. That is really neat. I like that. So there's that item. Then we have, they always, well, this is my 3rd box, and every 3 boxes, they always give you a curling ribbon and a little like thing like this to put on gifts. So if you ever have any gifts that you need to give people, then you have all these little things to decorate. We did get a bag. We even got like a gift bag before. So they have you definitely covered for all of your paper and stationery needs. And oh, how cute. And I like the peach. It says to do. So here's like a to-do list and you can put it on your fridge. And they do use a lot of products by the C.R. Gibson, and that's where this is from as well. And this next product is as well. It says C.R. Gibson on the back. And the front says make today count. Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's memo paper. It says 200 sheets of memo paper. Today's date, to do. Let's see if they're all the same or it's stuck in there. So let's see. Okay. So there you have it. And then you can just open this up. You can write your little list, tear it off, and you're good to go. So that's really cute. And I like how it's displayed in this little box. Make today count. So you can set this on your desk. I'm probably gonna take this to work and set this on my desk, or I'll put it on my desk here at the house, one of the two. So there's that. And the last item in here is, how cute. It's a flamingo, it's a pin with a flamingo charm on it. And it says, let's flamingo. How cute. That is so cute. My aunt is a huge flamingo fan. So as much as I love this pin, I think I'm gonna set this in her Christmas gift as well, because I already have a lot of stuff stored for her. So there's that. How cute is that? I love that. Okay, so in this box, again, it's $19.99 every other month. They have a pin, this really cute box with because I tore one out, with the notepads inside that you can keep track of anything you would like. And it is a magnetic closure. That's so cool. So there's that. You have a to-do list that you can put on your refrigerator or anything and keep your notes on that as well. You have your curling ribbon and your bow of ribbon. You have this really cute gift card that you can give, and this is like at any occasion. So if you ever want to give somebody just a, I'm thinking of you, or just because, you have that. Then you have, and these are a lot of napkins in here. There's 40 napkins in here. And then here is 16 plates. So that is awesome. And then you have these really cool file folders. So that is everything that came in this bi-monthly box. Last month was so good because it had all those not that this one's not good, but it was all like butterfly theme, and I love butterflies. And now this one, it has its own, I love how they have their own little theme going on, and it's all kind of like matches in its own little way, even though they're all different types of items and you can use them in so many different ways. So I do appreciate this box. Again, this is my third one. I have 3 more to go with my 1-year subscription. So if you want to go check this out, I will have them linked down below. You can go to their website and check them out for yourself. And yeah, so go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this bi-monthly box. Did you like this one? I do, and I like and I appreciate the fact that this is a big package of napkins, not just the little tiny like bar napkins where there's only like 10 or 12 of them in there. There's 40 big full-size napkins in here, and then matching plates. So that is really cool. I really, is this a C.R. Gibson? Yes. These are also from C.R. Gibson. See, this place has a lot of cool stuff. And I know one of my subscribers told me that they used to have like the C.R. Gibson warehouse or the distribution center by them before it moved, and they used to go to the actual place and they could purchase things from there. And I'm like, that would be so cool. I would love to go to a store like that. I probably would take me all day. It'd be like a stationary Disneyland for me. I'd probably be there all day looking at everything. So maybe it's a good thing it's not here in Florida. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this box. Have you got this box? Are you interested in this box? Give me all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and then you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.